Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will start with the first step of how solving the problems of the GAT. Okay, the first steps, which is ordering the operations. How can I order the operations to solve equations or any problem in GAT? How can we order operations and so on? Okay, so here we have equations like this one. Okay, the first step is solving the powers if we have powers. Number two is solving the brackets or break them. Number three is division or multiplication. Number four is adding or subtracting. Okay, so solving powers is we will solve powers like this one in the first. Number two, brackets, which is like this one, we will solve them first. Number three is division or multiplication. What's meaning of or? That if we have first from the right, okay, sorry, from the left. If we have from the left division first and then multiplying, so we will start with division. If we start with multiplication first and then division, so we will start with multiplication and then the division. The adding and subtracting is the same. From the left, if we have adding and then subtracting, so we will start with subtracting and then adding and then subtracting. If we start with subtracting and then adding, so we will start with subtracting and then adding. So how can we solve these problems? Like this one here. Okay, we have 10 plus 43 minus 5 divided by 6 plus 5 powering by 2. First step, we said that we will solve the powers. So 5 squared, it will be 25, which is meaning 5 times 5. And here we have plus 6 and here we have division. Step 2 is by solving brackets. So we will solve the brackets first. We have adding first and then subtracting. So 10 plus 43, it will be 53. 53 minus 5, it will be 48. Okay, so 48 dividing by 6 plus 25. Then we will start number 3, division or multiplication. Here we have division. So 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6, which is 8, and then plus 25. So 8 plus 25, which it will be 33. So the answer will be 33. Next one here, the same, we have subtracting and then division and then multiplication. First we should start with powers. Here we don't have any powers. Then brackets. Here we don't have any brackets. Then division or multiplication. Okay, here we have division and multiplication. With which one we will start? From the left. We start from the left to the right, which is the first. Here we have division first, so we start with division. So 20 divided by 5, which is 4, and then times 3, so 4 times 3, and here we have 2 minus. Okay, so and then we will solve multiplication. 4 times 3, which is 12, and here we have 2. Then we will solve it by subtracting. We will take the sign of the biggest number and then subtracting because they have different signs, so it will be negative 10. So the answer will be negative 10. Next one, the same. We will start with powers. We don't have powers. Okay, and then brackets. We don't have brackets. and then division or multiplication. Which one is first? We have first multiplication and then division, so we will start with multiplication. 4 times 5, it will be 20, plus 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Okay, so we finished multiplication and we finished division. And then here we have plus 3 minus 6. Then we start with plus and subtracting, or adding and subtracting. Which one we have first? We have subtracting. 6 minus 3, it will be 3, and here we will add it, which is plus 20 plus 4. So 3 plus 20, which is 23. 23 plus 4, which it will be 27. So the answer will be 27. Number 4, the same. We have powers. No, we don't have. We have brackets. Yes, we have it. Where? Which is here. So we will solve it first, which is 72 divided by 9. 2 divided by 9, which is 8. Okay, and then here we have multiplication and then adding, and then 5, and then 14. So we will start with multiplication or division. We have here multiplication here. So 5 times 8, it will be 40, plus 7 plus 5, and here 14, subtracting. And then we start with adding or subtracting. Here we have subtracting first, so we will go from left to right. So we will start with subtracting first, and then adding, and then adding. 14 minus 5, it will be 9. 9 plus 7 plus 40. Okay, 9 plus 7, it will be 16. 16 plus 40, it will be 56. So the answer will be 56. Okay, we will continue with these problems, which is number 5. We said that powers, brackets, multiplication or division, adding or subtracting. Okay, here we don't have powers. What else we have? We have division, we have multiplication, and we have brackets, and we have adding. So first we will solve the brackets. So 42 divided by 6 times the brackets, which is 14 minus 7 equals 7, plus 9. And then we will solve the division and the multiplying. So 40, which one is big, is in the first from the left? It's the division. So 42 divided by 6, which is 7, times 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 7 times 7, sorry, which is 49, plus 9 will be 50, will be 58. So the answer will be 58. The next problem is the same, but here we have subtracting, adding, multiplying, adding, and dividing. So which one we will start? Brackets we don't have, powers we don't have. We have multiplying and division. So we will start with multiplying because it's the first. So 5 times 9, which is 45, plus 56 divided by 7, plus 8. Okay, so we finished this one and we finished this one. So here plus 2, and here minus and 3. And then we will do the subtracting and adding. 3 minus 2, which is 1. 1 plus 45 plus 8, it will be 53. So all of them will be 54. So the answer will be 54. It's very easy. The next one the same, but here we have powers, so we should solve it first. Brackets we don't have it, so we will not do it. And then multiplying or division, and then adding or subtracting. So here we have powers, so we will solve it first, which is 9, and then we will do division. Okay, we can do all of them in one step. Okay, to save the time. So 9 divided by 3 times 3. 9 divided by 3, it will be 3. 3 times by 3, it will be 9. Okay, so we finished all of them, plus 3 here, and here 24. 24 minus 9, it will be 24 minus 9, it will be 15. 15 plus 3, it will be 18. Next one, same. We have brackets or powers. Yes, we have powers, which we will do it first, and then we have brackets. Yes, so we will do it, and then multiplying or division. Yes, we have them, and subtracting or adding, and we have them. First we will do the powers, which is 2 power by 4. It will be 16 minus 3 power by 2, which is 9. And then solve them first. 16 minus 9, it will be 7. 7 minus 4 plus 2 times 2. 2 times 7, which is 14. And then do it minus 4 plus 2. 14 minus 4, which is 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. So the answer will be 12. Next one here, we don't have powers, so we will not do it. We have brackets. Which is here, and then another one here. So we will start from inside to the outside. Okay, so 9 minus 3, it will be 3, and then divide by 3 to do the outside brackets, and then adding to 10. 3 divided by 3, which is 1, plus 10. So the answer will be 9 minus 3, which is 6. 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. 2 plus 10, it will be 12. Here it's more complicated, but it's very easy. We have division, so we will solve the upper first and then the lower. We have in the upper, we have powers, so we will do it first, which is 9, times we have brackets, which is 2 plus 3, which is 5, and down we have brackets the same, which is 2 plus 1, it will be 3 times 3. So 9 times 5, it will be 45 in the up, and 3 times 3, it will be 9. So 45 divided by 9, it will be 5. We will do the same steps. Okay.